Hello, last week I shared the video about the fire that we had in SBG2, and today I want to give you more information about what's up, what is going on the site right now. So restarting SBG. On Friday we had a small incident. We had the smoke from unused room in SBG1, so we decided to close SBG1 and not to restart that for the moment, and move all servers elsewhere. So the rooms A and D will be moved to the SBG4, and the room E will go through Croix, our factory where we build and assemble all the servers to be cleaned up, and then will be racked and shipped to two different data centers in Roubaix and Gravelines. So this is about Strasbourg 1. Strasbourg 4 will be restarted on Wednesday, and then all the servers that they are inside, SBG1 included, should be up between Wednesday and Friday. On SBG3 we have 5 floors. On these 5 floors we have 600 racks. There was about 100 racks for public cloud, there was 100 racks for the hosted private cloud, PCC, and there was 400 racks for the bare metal. Right now the teams are working 20/7 to clean up the racks and restart the services. So on the bare metal is going very well. We are going rack per rack and we're restarting all the servers. On the OpenStack, for example, public cloud, we restarted a big part of the VPS, but also today we should restart the PCI, all the instances that we have on the SBG3. Also, we are working on the PCS, so public cloud storage, where of course there is the data of customers, but also there's the backups of for about 30% of the customers that took the backup on the SBG2. We have the data and we will restart that, and we will restart all the VPS and the PCI that the customers they decided to take the backup services in OVH Cloud. So it should be done during this week, and we are really working hard to restart this PCS in the next days. On the hosted private cloud, PCC, we are working on what we call PCC master. PCC master is where all the vSphere information, they are all the VMs to manage vSphere. So we are just working to recreate the cluster and to restart all these VMs. On the vSphere, we think that between today and tomorrow, we will restart 30% of the customers, and then during the week remains part of the customers that we need. In some customers we need to rebuild some VMs with the information about the NSX, about the VMs, about the storage, and then restart them. So this is about restarting the SBG, the data center. How about the production? We are producing right now 450 servers per day, and we delivered 5,000 for the last 10 days. We think that all the backlog of the orders that our customers they passed will be delivered this week, maybe a little bit next week. And we are working hard to make all these services available in Gravelines, in Roubaix, in UK, in Germany, and also in Poland. How about the root cause? The investigation is ongoing. There was a lot of people in this investigation. There was the police judiciaire, there was the expert of the insurances, independent experts, there was the BA, and they're working on extracting the right components from the SBG2 for the labs and to give the conclusion. It will take a few months to have the conclusion of this investigation, and once we have it, we will share it with you. But independently of this conclusion, with Michel, we decided what we call internally to over-secure all our data center, and at the same time upgrade the standard for the data center. I will give you a few examples of what we have in mind. Free cooling. Free cooling is a standard of the industry. to cool the data center. How it's working? You take the air from the outside of the data center. You're going this air. You push across the data center to extract the heat to outside. We've been using free cooling until 2016. From 2016, we changed to another technology that we call water cooling of the rooms. Of course, we have water cooling for the servers, but also we created water cooling for the rooms, and we don't use free cooling anymore. In this water cooling of the rooms, the air is just going inside of the room, and it's another technology to cool the different rooms in the data center. So this technology, for example, we will open source and we will give to the industry, so everybody will be able to use that in their own data center. Another example, fire detection and fire extension. Of course, in all our data center, we have fire detection. Of course, in all our data center, we have fire extension. But this fire extension is not the same because of the geography of the data center and the local standard. Also, it's not the same because the purpose of each room is different. It's a different kind of the fire extension for the electrical fire, and it's different kind of the fire extension for the fire coming from the servers. Whatever the standard is, with Michel, we decided to over-secure all our data center. But more, we decided to create a lab where I want to test, I want to see how the fire is going in the different kind of the rooms, and to find the best way to extend the fire in all kind of the situation. I want to also to share the conclusion that we will have in this lab with all industry, because of course we don't want to have this kind of the incident in our data center, but also nobody wants to have this kind of incident in the data center, and the industry has to involve and to involve the standard. So that's for the future. And now we are working hard to restart data center. Michel and the team working 20/7, and I want to thank all the people that is so committed to restart and to help all the customers to be back. I will post another video end of this week. And thank you very much for watching this video.